What up YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this is the iPhone 7 case. So as you can see, it says Prime Day deal start on July 16, 3 p.m. Eastern Time, or 12 o'clock afternoon Pacific Standard Time. So anyway, I'm not sure what kind of deal, but you guys could check it out. So let's go ahead and pop this open. So this is a Simplicity for Life design concept by Try-Ons. Full protection, fit perfectly, green material. And then you can scan that if you guys want to check it out. You can pause it and scan it if you guys want. And this is the barcode with the description, and it is made in China. So let me give you guys a 360 view at the box real quick. Try-Ons. Alright, so let's go ahead and then get into it. So this is like a rubberized plastic casing. I'm not sure why he got in this case again, because last time he had the Supreme and it breaks and cracks, because these are like a plastic, unless this is like a reinforced better plastic, but I don't think so. And you got those grill right there. There's a gap right here, cut open, and on both sides. I guess it's more flexible, so it's easy for you to pop in your case in and out. And here is the power button. So it's kind of plain and simple design. So anyway, so this is my unboxing for this Simplicity for Life casing. It says Amazon Try-Ons. Okay, this is the brand Try-Ons. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification, guys. Alright, and drop any comments down below. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.